Okay, who said Om recheck? So Moon had written 193. Recheck it. Aditya recheck. Vedant recheck. Rushabh recheck. Okay. Answer is 130. Now see how it has come. So if you take the product of these two numbers and subtract from that product this number, then you will get the answer. Right? So 10 into 12 minus 20. So it becomes 120 minus 20 is equal to 100. So for this one, 7 into 9 minus 9 is equal to. Right? So if you write this 63 minus 9, so it will be 54. Likewise, in the third case, 13 into 11 minus 13 is equal to, right? So it becomes 133 minus 13 is equal to 130, and therefore option B is your answer. Fine. Hello, Saksham.
अरे नहीं है तो मच्छर मारा चौबीस माझं रक्त गेली मला नाही यायचं नको
Saksham, why you have raised? Anyway, I will ignore this. Okay. Next one. So here you have 13, 88, 9, 22, 288, 14, 19, question mark, 8. 13, 88, 9, 22, 288, 14, 19, question mark, 8. Recheck it. Mayuresh, recheck it. Rohan, recheck. Parth, it is right. Now I think Mayuresh, you got it. Anyway, so what it is, see, if you now you have to relate this 88 with either of the operations of these two numbers. Likewise, then 288 will be having some relationship with the operations of these two numbers, and hence this question mark will be resulting by the uh, relationship of the operations on these two numbers. So what could be that operations? So if you consider here 13 square minus 9 square, it becomes 169 minus 89, and that will give you 88. Likewise here, if you take 22 square minus 14 square, so it becomes 484 minus 196, and it becomes 288, right? So 88 is there and 288 is there. So the relationship of this 88 and 288 with these two numbers is defined. Now therefore you have to go for the 19 square minus 8 square is equal to, right? So it is 361 minus 64, and this will become 2, right? So 297. Therefore, option C will be your answer. Fine. So this is about the second one. Now, Siddharth, recheck it. Someone has also written. Now, most of you are getting the option B. So, this is the answer. Now, see, as such, by looking the rows or columns, it becomes sometimes very difficult to have a kind of relationship. So, in that way, or in that particular problem, straight away you should always write the all the numbers in the increasing order, and then find out the relationship, or you will come across a kind of let's say the rule. So first, those who haven't got this, for them I'm writing it: 3, 5, then 7, then 11, 13, 17, here it is question mark, and 23 and 29. Now see, if you write this way, so you will get instantly will get a logic that here it must be 90, because the relationship is of prime numbers, right? And therefore your Option B is the answer. Now see, in such problems, one more thing, just by looking the table, if you could not instantly get a kind of any kind of relationship, then straight away you should write the numbers in a increasing order, right? And then find out the relationship again. After writing these numbers in a row or in the increasing order, if you could not get a kind of relationship, then I will always suggest you to leave that particular problem, because if you stuck at this point, that will consume a lot of time, and that will be definitely harmful as far as the time is concerned, right? So uh, at that particular case, you should always try to leave the particular problem. That is always better. 4, 10, 5, 8, 36, 9, 6, 24, 8, 7, 42, question mark. Options are so 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes. Vedant, check it. Siddharth, recheck it. Someone had also written Parth, recheck it. No, lot of mixings of answers. I don't know how they are getting. I don't know why most of you are writing option A, that is 6. You must be making a mistake in converting the option A into the actual answer or the correct answer. Yes, now most of you are writing option D. Right. So option D is the answer. Right. Those who want to take the screenshot of this, first they can take the screenshot of this particular page, and I will explain the logic on next paper. Yes, Akshay, you have written it. Good. Yes, Mandar, you have also got it by 2. Half the product. Yes, that is by 2. Have 5 and here 9. Yes, exactly. It is the logic. Okay, anyway, if you are finished, you clicking the got the logic behind that particular answer. If you consider the two numbers, right, and which is equal to, rather, which is 10. So this 10, so it's coming for that purpose, making half the product. So it becomes 10. Becomes 72. Therefore, again make it half. Right. So this will be the right, into, okay, x is equal to, here is 42, right? If half, fine. So in this case, what will become? So this x will be 42, sorry, 42 into 2 divided by, right, divided by 7. Fine. So it becomes 8, 4 divided by 2. So it is 12. Right. And therefore here it is 12. Now 7 into 12 divided by 2 is equal to 84 is equal to 42. So whatever you got, you can recheck it. Right. So this would be the reason. Fine. Next one. So 7, 3, 9, 21, 7, sorry, 5, 7, 14, 10, 3, question mark, 18, 9. So A, B, C, D. 5, 9, 6, 11. Yes, J is correct. Yes, most of you are getting the answer. In fact, those who are writing the answer, that is correct one. C is the option. Right. So 6. It is C. Yes. Now I'm coming to that particular point. So some of you must be thinking that something like this particular problem, and it is fortunate. I don't have that particular sense while writing this particular problem. So exactly now this has become of this particular logic. So product of these two divided by some number, let's say this number, right, will be resulting into this particular number. But simply, again, if you consider 7 into 9 is equal to 21 into 3. So product of these two and product of these two, it is again same. So you will be thinking that how it is same. So by and large, again, if you send this particular number to this one, but compulsorily you have to send uh, or either of the numbers, then you will be getting the remaining numbers, right? So same case is here also. 5 into 4 is equal to 10, sorry, 14. 10 into 7, right? So if you send one of these numbers to this side, you will get the answer. Likewise here, 3 into 18 is equal to, here you will be having, let's say, x into 9, and in that way you will get the answer. So I will write it here, divided by 9, and it has to be, okay, it is x, therefore x has to be 6. That is your option C. Yes. Or yes, that's the reason, right? This is a kind of problem. Fine. So if you send instead of this number to, let's say, if I send now this number to this side, so you will get this one. If you send this, you will get this. If you send this, you will get this. If you send this, you will get this one, right? So it is your choice, but that will not change your answer, right? Okay. I think earlier you might have gone through one of such kinds of problem. So 23, 15, 16, 14, 7, 20, 12, 17, 5, 6, 12, question mark, 18, 16, 22. Right. So your options are 16, 18, 17, 19. Yes. Most Kadam, Om, Richek, Shubham. That's fine. Shabdul Richek. Rushabnath Richek. Jay Richek. Okay, I will tell you the answer. So answer is 17. Now see those who are writing, yes, I'm going to explain it. But now I said the answer. Can you retry your workout so that anyway, I will explain it. I don't. Someone had written, but I could not see it. 1 by 4 of sum. That's kind of logic, right? So simply you take the average of the numbers which are outside the circle, and the average of all these numbers or outside the circle will be equal to the number inside the circle, right? Let's check for one sample. 23 plus 16 plus 14 plus 7, right, divided by 4, because averaging it, right? So it becomes something known as 20 शून्य, right? So 2 3 4 6 60 divided by 4, so it will be resulting into 15. So 15 is your term inside the circle, right? Let's again write for next one. So that 17 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 4. So 23 43 and 6 42 22 43 48 4. So it has to be 12. Likewise, 12 plus 18 30 plus 16 46 plus 22. It is 68 divided by 4. It has to be 17, right? So the option C is your answer. Fine. Okay, those who want to take the screenshot, they can. I guess everyone must have finished it. So let's move. So 3 3 5 2 2 9 1 4 question mark 2. Simple one, but I just wanted you to know the logic, and you should be always get prepared for this. So very simple numbers I have written here. 6 3 7 1 7 2 8 6. Yes, Pankaj got it. Very simple logic, but this will tell you that you should remember that particular thing, whatever. I think so, right? I'm also planning to go for that calendar. Maybe next session or tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll be going through the calendar. I think, Rohan, why don't you recheck your answer? Siddharth, I think you got it. Rushabh, recheck. Yes, Jay, you have written also the logic. Good. Yes, so answer is 72. This one, right? Yes, cube. So what is the logic in this particular case? If you see the, if you take the cube of 3 plus cube of 2, so it becomes 27 plus 8 resulted into 35. Here again cube of 2 plus cube of 1 is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Right. Here cube of 4 plus cube of 2, it has to be 64 plus 8, right, and equal to 72. So 72 is your option C. Therefore, answer is C. Fine. Twelve, 15, 18, 21, 24, 17. Yes, I thought that I need not to write any kind of option. Yes.